Welcome into my newest listing in Mobile, Alabama. We're out here on the edge of town with this beautiful southern horse property today, a home that you're gonna love to see every inch of this fully remodeled home and this tour. Let's stop talking and show you around this beautiful property. Come on inside. Let's show you around this beautiful property. As you come in the front door and step right into this foyer space, the stairs going up to the second level is where most of the living bedrooms are. But let's take you into this first room, which is the formal sitting room right here at the front. I love all the natural light coming in off this front yard with this bay window right here. Got a little bit of crown molding. And being a formal sitting room, there's no chandelier or anything up ahead. It's all just lamps that are plugged in along the wall. And then opposite the formal sitting room, it walks into a formal dining space with once again, nice wood frame bay windows, has a nice chandelier here, and it has just once again a really cool amount of natural light coming in that I really enjoy. And then it walks into a split brick kitchen with quartz countertops all throughout, custom cabinetry. To bring the camera in right here, it's got this really cool high-end industrial commercial grade cooktop made by Thor. You've also got the matching Thor microwave with a push of a button. Well, with a push of a button, it opens up and closes, which I think is really cool. It's a nice thing to put in when you put the microwave in the island. And I love the color of these cabinets. I don't know if you can see that well on the video camera, but it's kind of a stained wood color that complements the white really, really well. You've got kind of a brass color hardware, huge island. I love how it looks over this living room and kind of invites everybody into both spaces. And we've also got the highlight of having a wine cooler right here at the end of the island. Past the breakfast area where the camera is, it walks into this living room, great room, wood burning fireplace, shiplap accents up here where they've hung the television. Really, really nice feel. We were saying before we turned the camera on, it's very comfortable in here. We got a lot of natural light coming from both sides of the house. And these recessed lights throughout add just a ton of depth and a ton of light that's very comfortable to this room. Walking this way, we've got the one bedroom on the main floor. It has a 3/4 bathroom right here, which I love. If you want to bring the camera in and turn this way, you can see the beautiful shower they've done with the tile work and the herringbone flooring, and I love just the way they put that together. And it walks into a bedroom that could double as a master on main or a in-law suite or a guest room. Just a great size space. This is a king size bed, so you've got a lot of room here for a lot of furniture. You've actually got 2 separate bifold closets. And you've got luxury vinyl plank flooring all throughout the entire home. So no carpet unless you bring in an area rug, just as you see right here. Great space. And let's go upstairs and check out extra bedrooms 2, 3, and the master. At the top of the stairs, it walks into bedroom number 2. It's up here overlooking the back of the home where you can wake up and see the horses in the pasture. And once again, you've got a walk-in closet as well as a second bifold closet right behind. So you've got great closet space throughout this house. And then I love the neutral colors, kind of an off-white with the brass fixtures throughout the entire home. Once again, you got crown molding, beautiful colors. Almost looks like alabaster white possibly there. And then you walk up to bedroom number 2, which has the view of the oaks and the gated entrance. It's just a really nice spacious bedroom with 1 closet. Once again, same colors, crown molding, and it feels really good in this space. I really like these big open windows with just using the curtains. It really preserves the light and gives it a very, very cozy and comfortable feel. You do have a doorway out to a balcony overlooking the front yard. And then it walks into this really spacious master bedroom. This master bedroom up here, it's got room for a king-size bed. It's got room for a lot of artwork, as you can see. And then once again, I love the decision to leave these windows open and just use curtains, because it really preserves just the look, the feel, and the amount of light. It makes this place very unique, very special to me. As somebody that sees houses every single day, I find that really cool. And then it walks into a master bathroom with updated sink. You've got a commode. You've got a nice shower with dual shower heads, detachable wand right there. It's a really nice look. I love that they've stayed with kind of this earth tone brown throughout. And then if you'll bring the camera right in here, you'll see you've got this upgraded single sink with this nice natural wood looking cabinet. I feel like that's really attractive. Looks right over to the covered horse arena, which we'll show you in just a minute. And then it does have a walk-in master closet right there that looks nice and adequate for a primary suite. And before we head downstairs, let's go out here on this balcony and show you what it looks like overlooking the front yard. Love this view, love the feeling up here. You could easily set up a chair and maybe make this into a nice morning reading section, or just a place to sip some morning coffee. Really, really cool space with kind of like what looks like a shingled floor. I guess that makes sense. You've got water kind of being blown in, so they've actually put a kind of a shingle floor here to keep it from becoming a moisture problem, you know, as you go on using the space. Let's show you one more bathroom and then go downstairs and show you outside. Bathroom number 3 up here on the second level is one with, once again, what feels like marble counters, dual sinks. You got a nice wide mirror right here. The bathtub is in its original tile condition, so we'll call this a vintage tile design. It's been preserved pretty well, and it does the job of a full bathroom shared between some bedrooms. So let's go downstairs and show you the laundry room and then walk out to this beautiful horse property. Back down here on the main level, as you walk through the house into the kitchen, I want to show these nice custom cabinets. They basically created a pantry space out of what probably didn't have a pantry space in this ranch style home. So you got nice cabinets above with plenty of storage. And then as it walks into this laundry room, I love these butcher block counters that have been custom made for this space. Cabinets, once again, your laundry, which I know everyone would appreciate. Space for a deep freeze or a second fridge. More cabinet space right here. You've got more storage right in here. So this could be maybe an additional pantry space. So second storage right there. And then I mentioned it's got 3.5 bathrooms. Maybe I didn't mention, but it does have 3.5 bathrooms. So this would be the 4th bathroom of the home right here off the kitchen. It would make a great guest bath. And then it walks this way into a 2-car garage, which we will show you in just a minute. But let's go outside, show you around this beautiful horse property. Walking off the back door right here in this little patio area, we are walking into the backyard. Beautiful areas. Once again, mature oak trees, mature pine trees, a little bit of shade. And they've kind of created a little bit of a space for the kids to play and have some toys. And it all walks out here to what's mostly almost 10 acres of recreational horse property with cross-country jumps, with walking trails, with pens, with basically a covered hay storage, and 12 stalls underneath the covered arena, 2 more stalls in this little barn. Let's show you around this horse property and show you some of the amenities. Let's go take a look. Just to give you a quick layout out here, we basically got a small horse barn right over here to your left. There's 2 stalls in here, 4 horses that are actively inside right now. We've got covered hay storage. We've got a tack room right here. And then this massive covered arena that's approximately 60 by 120. And then right over my shoulder is 12 separate boarding stalls right here that are mostly occupied and full of horses. Let's go over here and take a look. Right here, the tack room, we walk in, it does have full power. You can see all the equipment is hanging on the walls and maybe right here in the middle. And yeah, I'm just a real estate agent, so I'm not sure exactly what this means for a person that's raising horses. but it's there if you know what you're looking for. Walking down this way, let's just walk down beside some of these beautiful animals. We've got a lot of horses right here that are hanging out. We've got this 12 separate boarding stalls. There's Apollo. There's Tupelo. Yeah, there's Cruz. Are you in Dipper? 12 separate boarding stalls. I like that it's kind of adjacent to this covered arena. Really, really neat. There's Edward. He's got his blinders on. And 2 more stalls that are empty right down here. As I step over right here into the covered arena, I'm told there is area right here where you could create a separate, oh, there it is. I was looking for our separate round pen, and it's right over my shoulder, right there in the corner. Let's go this way and show you through some drone footage of the back property and all the pastures. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of 700 Eliza Jordan Road. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, almost 2,900 square feet. And right here on almost 10 acres with room for your favorite horses, chickens, gardening, you name it, you bring them. This place is an amazing property. If you want more information on this beautiful property, leave us a comment below or send us a DM to our email address provided. Information is on the screen. And if you are looking to move to Mobile, Alabama, we want to be your go-to real estate resource of choice. Whether you're buying or selling a home in Mobile, we want to help you make that happen and make you a seamless professional process that you'll enjoy doing, just as you see the reviews below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the next tour. Later.